Senator Bato de la Rosa is requesting Philippine National Police Chief General Romel Marbil to give Vice President Sara Duterte the freedom to choose who among her personal security detail should stay. During the hearing of the Senate panel on public order and dangerous drugs, de la Rosa tells the police chief that Duterte had complained about her remaining 31 security detail.
In behalf of the Vice President and in behalf of the Filipino people who want that our Vice President is properly secured and protected, can I ask you for the record that yung iniwan mo na 31, pwede ba nabigyan mo ng laya yung ating Vice President kung sino from sa kanyang mga former security ang pwedeng iiwan mo? Kasi ang reklamo nga niya, may iniwan ka nga pero hindi niya kilala, hindi siya komportable.
Former top cop de la Rosa then pleads to Marbil that his appeal be treated as the request of an ordinary Filipino who wants to ensure the safety of the Vice President. Following de la Rosa's prodding, the PNP chief commits to bring back security personnel from Davao with whom Duterte feels comfortable.
So, yun lang pag-iusap ko, kahit na hindi mo na ibalik yung the same number na tinanggal mo, palitan mo lang ibalik mo lang yung mga taga Davao na palagay ang kalooban niya at tanggalin mo na lang yung hindi niya kilala na yung naiwan sa 31. Ito lang, I am just appealing to you, panirating ko lang sa'yo. Kung pwede, balik mo. Can I get your commitment?
Of course, our chairperson.
During the hearing, Marbil reiterates that the removal of Duterte's personal security detail was not backed by political pressure. He says the PNP merely did its job to rationalize the deployment of its personnel.
Marami po kami tinanggalan. Even yung mga classmate ko na mga general, sabi ko, it's a time na talagang we have to rationalize. Kasi ang sasabi ko nga, we need more people on the ground. Marami po kami talagang kulang. And to be honest, sir, talagang ang gusto po natin, talagang ibaba yung mga tao natin.
Duterte earlier branded the recall of her 75 police security personnel as a clear case of political harassment. The country's second top official posted a 4-page letter on her Facebook page criticizing Marbil for allegedly lying about the withdrawal of her police protection detail. For his part, Marbil maintained that Duterte's security team was reduced because no threat against her had been observed.